The current time is
What?
4:30 Central Daylight Time.
Oh, what the fuck?
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County and northeastern Mississippi until 5:15 p.m. Central
Wasn't there already
Daylight
one
Time.
for Monroe County?
At 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Calola Springs, or 8 miles southeast of Aberdeen, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured.
What? What is going on? What? Oh my god, what a fail. Wait.
The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued a severe
What is going on?
thunderstorm warning for northeastern Chickasaw County in northeastern Mississippi, northwestern Monroe County and northeastern Mississippi until
fuck?
5:15 p.m. Central
It's just
Daylight
related
Time.
alert. Then related
At
alert.
4:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe
Something
thunderstorm was
is-
located near Oklahoma, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
Okay, someone from random guy from Georgia was just trying to call me.
Expect wind
The
damage
fuck?
to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Amory, Oklahoma, Smithville, New Lynn, Nettleton, Hatley, Becker, Zigby, Egypt, Leotis, and Wren. For your protection, move to an interior room.
I swear to God, it does the thing again.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning
Memphis.
has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Monroe, Mississippi. The National
Did it
Weather
just say
Service
Chickasaw?
in Memphis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Monroe County and northeastern Mississippi until
What the fuck just happened?